Step into the BMW 2015 535i. Don't miss this great deal on a luxury vehicle. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are satellite radio, navigation system, rear-view camera, heated seats, M Sport package, park distance control, iPhone connection, instrument cluster with extended contents and driver assistance package. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.